Hello everyone in Kenya, this is Zigzagla and his team, strong team of Sigbon Charity Program of Kenya. They have arrived in Kirinyaga County, and as you can see, now they are venturing into the school which is known like St. Peter's School of Disciple and Orphanage, to meet the people who are discipled and the ones who are orphan, at least to share with them the ones of encouragement, to share the ones of encouragement, and also to give them hope and future that they can become great people in this nation. That the dream of Sigbon, where the chairman and the founder says that he is not even a friend of dying, because he can only, the bond will die but the soul and spirit will not die. That meaning Sigbon will be an unstoppable thing, because for one thing it have been found so that it can help young people who come from low areas. Don't forget that Sigbon Charity Program, they have a program of visiting at least 4 counties within 2 days, so that they can market and they can make awareness of these people. Please, when you see their band, don't hear it, respect it. As you can see, now we are entering in school. It's a silent place. Welcome. We shall inform you more.